vegetable sauce. So guys, today I'll be making vegetable sauce. Over here I have all my vegetables and my chicken. So guys, today I have my chicken. I will fry it to have that golden brown, so golden color. My salt, my curry, just the color is little bit. My black pepper. I will now add my ginger and pepper. So guys, I will now add my carrot, my pepperoni. So guys, I'll add my onion, broccoli. I have already steamed it. So guys, I will now add my tomatoes. It will be the last to add. I'll add my Gnocchi cube flavor. I'll add just a little bit water, and this is the conclusion. The water going. So guys, I will set and cover. So guys, sauce is ready. Can you see? Wayonicha's kitchen. So guys, we are enjoying it with white rice. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my page, please follow my page. Subscribe to my page. Wayonicha's kitchen. A water day.